everyone, and welcome back to Rosie's Reviews. I'm so happy to be here with you guys. I just want to say thanks to everyone for tuning in my channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram on Rosie's Reviews Official, on TikTok, Rosie's Reviews. I'll be leaving the link down below. Let me know your thoughts on my videos. And this time what we're going to be reviewing is a tortilla blanket. How fun is that? As soon as I saw this one, I was like, I gotta check it out. I need to see what this is all about. I've seen it on social media. I wanted to try it on myself. So let's open up this tortilla blanket and take a look. Opening these are like the funnest thing ever. Okay, so this is really cool. It's really heavy. It's really nice. Look at this. It's literally a tortilla blanket. I'm a burrito. It's so much fun. So I bought this as a Christmas gift, more like a gag gift, but actually it's pretty warm. It's pretty thick. I'm gonna show you what I did with it because you can be creative. You can do a burrito, you can do whatever you want. It's all in the wrapping. So let me show you what I have. Ain't that cute? So what I did is I just have this, burrito blanket. I put some aluminum foil in it and I added the Taco Bell sign and I just put the little dog from the 90s. Quiero Taco Bell. So this is what I'm going to be giving out for Christmas as one of my gifts. So I was just like, oh, how cool is that? And this, you can just download it on the internet, print it out and tape it. That's it. So how fun is this? And all because you can, you can make it into a burrito. But yeah, this is how the blanket looks and what I like about it is that the back side of it is also a tortilla. So not only can you do the one side, the other side is good too. Some of the blankets that I have bought, I have like this money blanket, it's on the other side is white, and this pizza blanket on the other side is white. And I'll be leaving some reviews and some links to these other products so you can check it out and see if it's something that you want to purchase. For me, by far, this and the other pizza have been my favorites out of the 4 blankets. I think they're amazing gifts, and some of them I just want to keep for myself because they're so cool and they're so warm. Like this one's very big, and it does come in different sizes. I did choose like the medium, not like the biggest one, but I didn't choose the smallest one. And of course they vary by price. So make sure you check out my other links and I will leave them down below, and let me know your thoughts on this amazing tortilla blanket. I think it's fun, I think it's cool, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.